This video is going to embrace your talent and hope you guys use them as a springboard for further development in solving. All the formulas are clearly explained and this is going to be exceptionally well for your easy preparation. Let's get started to learn the formulas flashing in front of us. So this topic is from regressions. So each and every formula is clearly explained here. The first one is the regression line. So there are two lines here, that is x on y and y on x. So when there is an actual mean, when the mean, arithmetic mean is a whole number, so we are going to get the formula as, so the line x on y. So we have to start with x, that is, this is x minus x bar is equal to, see here, this is r into, this is a sigma x by, this is a sigma y into, we have to end up with y, that is y minus y bar. So it is so easy to remember. The regression line of x on y is, we have to start with x minus x bar. So here x is on y. So here sigma x by sigma y. So x is on y. So r into sigma x by sigma y into, we have to end up with y, that is y minus y bar. Or else it can be written as, the other formula here is x minus x bar is equal to, in terms of sigma we have to multiply xy, sigma xy by, in the denominator there is y, so sigma y square into, here we have to end up with y bar. So these two are the regression lines of x on y. And coming to the regression lines of y on x, see here there are two formulas here. First one is, we have to start with y, that is y minus y bar is equal to, see here, this is r times of, this is y on x, and we have to end up with x, that is x minus x bar. Clear? So this is so easy to remember. This is y minus y bar is equal to r times of, this is y on x, so here sigma y on sigma x into, we have to end up with x bar, that is x minus x bar. Clear? Or else it can be written as y minus y bar is equal to sigma. So we have to make a product of xy. So this is sigma xy by, so in the denominator there is x. See here, remember, this is a sigma x square into, we have to close with x minus x bar. Clear? These two are so simple. And next one is correlation quotient. The formula for the correlation quotient here is, see here, this will be r is equal to, this is root over bxy into, this is byx, or else r is equal to, this is a sigma xy into, this is a sigma yx. See here, the middle part here. So if you multiply these two, so we'll be cancelling sigma y and sigma x and sigma x. So here sigma x and sigma x will cancel and sigma y and sigma will cancel, and we'll be getting the r square here. So here r will be root over sigma xy into sigma yx. See, this is about the correlation quotient. So is it not very easy? And the next one is, so this is about an actual mean. When the mean is a whole number, we'll be getting this kind of equations. When mean is a arithmetic mean is a fraction which is not a whole number. Remember, when the mean is a fraction and which is not a whole number, so we have to assume certain mean. So we have to take the nearest value from this fractional part or a decimal part. So here the regression line of x on y will be, see here, again we have to start with x, that is x minus x bar is equal to, this is bxy, x on y into, we have to end up with y, that is y minus y bar. Then what is this bxy? So bxy is equal to, as usual, so here we have this one sigma xy. So here we have sigma xy here, so same as this one, that is sigma, here will be getting dx dy minus, this is a sigma dx into, this is a sigma dy by n divided by, so this is x on y. So here we have, for x on y, so we have y square here, so we have y part here, and therefore this is very easy to remember. This is a sigma dy square minus a sigma dy whole square by n. Clear? So this is bxy. So here the bxy value is very clear that we have to multiply, that is dx dy, sigma dx dy minus, individually we have to multiply sigma dx into sigma dy by n by, see here, sigma dy square minus a sigma dy whole square by n. So this is the regression line of x on y when the arithmetic mean is not a whole number, which is a fraction. Next, the regression line of y on x will be, see here, y, we have to start with y here, that is y minus y bar is equal to, this is byx into, we have to end up with x, that is x minus x bar. So what is this byx? So byx is equal to, byx will be, so we have to make a product, that is dx dy minus, individually we have to make a product sigma dx into, this is a sigma dy by n whole divided by, this is sigma dx square minus, this is a sigma dx whole square by n. So this is the formula related to this one. So bxy value, so we have to calculate using this formula and we have to substitute here, and y bar is the mean and x bar is also the mean from the x series and y bar is the mean from the y series. So all the problems related to these formulae are already taught in my previous videos, and this is the regression line of x on y and this is the regression line of y on x. And the next one is, the most important thing here is the angle. So the angle between the two regression lines. So this is also so simple. I have told you this one. The tan theta value is equal to, see here, as I've told you how to remember, tan theta value is equal to, this is 1 minus r square by r into, this is the product of sigma, that is sigma x into the sigma y by the sum of the squares of the standard deviation, that is sigma x square plus, this is a sigma y square. So we have to make a product of these two so that we'll be getting the tan theta value. Clear? So again I'm writing here, what is tan theta? So the angle between the two regression lines, tan theta value is equal to, this is 1 minus r square by r into, so here the product of the standard deviations, sigma x into sigma y by, so the sum of the squares, sigma x square into, this is a sigma y square. So if theta is acute angle, so there is no change in this formula, that is we are writing as it is, as tan theta value is equal to, see, tan theta value is equal to 1 minus r square by r into the product of the standard deviations divided by the sum of the squares of the standard deviations. Clear? So if r is an obtuse angle, so here there is a small change here, so this will be r square minus 1. So here then tan theta value, a slight change here, then tan theta value is equal to, this will be r square minus 1 by r into, again, sigma x into sigma y by the sum of the squares of the standard deviation, sigma x square into, this one is a sigma y square value. So if r is equal to 0, what happens here? So this one, r value is equal to 0, then tan theta value is equal to, see here, tan theta is equal to infinity. See here, then tan theta value will be infinite value. So when we'll get an infinity? When theta value is equal to, see here, pi by 2. Then there is no relationship between. So here we can observe that there is no relationship between the two variables here, and therefore they are independent. Here the angle value is equal to pi by 2. If r is equal to plus or minus 1, see here, if we keep minus 1 or plus 1, so this is going to become 0, then tan theta value is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0 or pi. Then we say that the two regression lines are parallel or coincident. See here, when r is equal to 0, then theta value is going to become pi by 2, and there is no relationship between the two variables and they are independent. So tan theta is equal to pi by 2. If r is equal to plus or minus 1, then tan theta value is equal to 0. See here, then theta is equal to, tan theta is equal to infinite and theta value is equal to, this is pi by 2. Here tan theta is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0 or pi. Then we say that the two regression lines are parallel or coincident. So this is how we have to learn each and every formula before going into the regression chapter. And here, after watching this one, So you will be getting a clarity on how to find out the angles and how to find out the regression line of x on y on y on x for the actual mean as well as an assumed mean, and how to find the correlation quotient and how to find the angles between the two regression lines. So after learning all these, please go through the previous videos. So many videos are uploaded and each and every formula is vividly explained, and the problem is also solved very simply, and hope your preparation will be damn easy. Thank you so much for watching and staying till the end. I have done with everything I wanted to tell you, and it is your turn to pass this video to as many friends as you can. That is the greatest help needed to this channel. Thank you so much for connected to this channel.